Hello, this is Michael Baker here at Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Piqua, Ohio. Today we are looking at a 2019 Ram 1500 Classic SLT, stock number 28636T. This Ram is a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi, 4-wheel drive. It does have the black appearance package. We have the fog lights here. This is in a brilliant black crystal pearl coat, 20-inch semi-gloss black alloy wheels. The black appearance package looks really good on these. All the badging and emblems are blacked out. Turn signals on the mirrors. As we take a look inside, this has the heated premium cloth seats. This does come with remote start. The driver's seat is power heated, leather wrapped steering wheel, heated power mirrors, the 8.4-inch touch display, navigation with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, as well as the auxiliary stereo input, satellite radio, and Bluetooth for your phones. It does have the AC power outlet, automatic dual climate control, and the universal garage door opening. Very sharp interior. There's your 4-wheel drive controls, cruise controls on the steering wheel, power windows, crew cab. Another look at those 20-inch semi-gloss black alloy wheels, dual exhaust on the back, trailer receiver, as well as both trailer connections, reverse camera. This is a class 4 towing receiver. It does have LED bed lighting. You can see there. Mentioned the rear parking camera as well as the sensors that you can see along the back bumper. Very nice 2019 Ram 1500 Classic. The black appearance package as well as those 20-inch black wheels really set this one off. Once again, this is a 2019 Ram 1500 Classic SLT here at Paul Sherry's in Piqua, Ohio. My name is Michael Baker. Come down and see me and set up a test drive today.